friends, welcome to Hi Choco. Today I am going to explain second class first chapter what is long and what is round. Things are there including long plus round. Like for example, long and round including means long means length, round means circle. If you take a ball, if a ball is round, so for round example is a ball. So for length what we can take as length, we can take a bottle as length. A bottle as length. For example, long and round combination. What becomes long and round combination? We can take a bottle because a bottle has long means this straight line is called long, and round, the top cap will be round. So we can say the long is the bottle and the round is the bottle cap. So one more example we can take a coin and roll it with your hands. From long distance you can see the coin visible like a ball. Means what? A coin is also in the shape of round. And see, if you take some spoons, top of the spoon will be round and down of that will be long. Means we can say combination of long and round. One more example, this spoon has here round and this length. Okay, next, for suppose we are building a can house we are building. So one after the another we just build. Like this top one. So like this we just built a can house. So what we just calculate how much long means how much length we have built. We just count, and number of cans also we just count. See, if we see, the side of the can will be length means long, and the top of the can would be circle means round. Circle and round. So here what we say is things which are round would be equals means we can add long and round, it becomes like example we can take spoon, can, bottle, etc. If you take one more example like drums, see water drums, the water drums would be down round and top round. So here middle it would be long. Long means length, straight line. So like this we can take these examples. Suppose we can take one more example. A matchbox is there. Many people play with the matchboxes, like building one after the other. Like this matchboxes. So with matchboxes many of you can try. Like what? Building one after the other like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 matchboxes I have kept. This length, one matchbox centimeter would be 5 centimeters. Like how many we are having? We are having 4. So 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. So we can calculate this matchbox's tower is equal to 20 centimeter. We just add these all. So we got long of the matchbox's tower is 20 centimeters. Because each side is 5 centimeters. So we get totally 4 boxes 20 centimeters. For suppose round means circle. We have took the example of coin. Means coin if you roll from any side, See, it was a coin, 1 rupee coin. So if you roll it from here, it would be visible like a ball. So few people are playing football. The football also would be round. The football also will be round. Like throw ball, football, tennis, means table tennis. Those all balls will be round, but different in size. See, this matchboxes also would be in small size or in large size. Same the balls also. The balls will be from small size. See, small, big, some more big, more than that. So, in balls also sizes will be there. But the object is same, but the sizes are different. Like coin. If you see from far, the coin is like a ball. But when you come front, it is round. Actually, it is not a ball, but it's round. So, from far, you can see the ball is rolling. But from near, if you go near, you can see a coin is rolling. So, like these examples, you can take for long and round. For long and round, one more example, like your pen. Your pen top needle will be there, that was straight, and this is also straight. But when you come down, means the top of the pen, you just see this cap round. So this was example. What? This is long plus this is round. So circle, long plus round is pen. Means in this example you can see long and round also. So friends, for long, one more example, we can take a eraser. We can build a eraser tower. Okay, we can build a eraser tower. So you can check how much long you have built a tower with eraser. So for round, we can take one more example like planets. All planets would be round in shape, like Sun, Moon, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, etc. So planets also will be in the shape of round. We can take long, we can take sharpener, the side of a sharpener. You can build even sharpener tower also. See, you can build even a sharpener tower also. See, one more example, take a pencil. Take a pencil. If you take a pencil, this is the long. And this top one will be round. Because it is in the shape of circle, so it would be round. And this side one will be long. I think you have understand this very well. If you like this video, please like for my videos. Please keep on encouraging me like this. I would like to create new videos for you people, and I would post a lot many videos. If you doesn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe my channel, when I keep new videos, you'll just get immediately notifications. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.